vlog. Thank you so much for checking out our YouTube channel. My name is Abraham Oluwatosin Adeyemi and my wife's name is Grace. And we are so glad that you are watching our YouTube channel. We are missionary. We are missionary here in Nigeria, and also we are homeschool family. We started this homeschool journey for the past 2 years, and we know that there are so many people who are more experienced in this homeschooling journey more than we are. But we just want to share our journey just to encourage those people that are coming to know more about homeschooling. When we talk about homeschooling, I've never heard it. The first time I heard about homeschooling was when I was in Bible school in 2008. I was in Bible school, and talking about homeschooling, I was like, what is homeschooling? Almost the same attitude I get from people when we tell them that we homeschool our daughter. I was like, what is homeschool? Do you mean you don't send your you don't send your kid you don't send your kid to school? Or do you mean, are you sure you're going to be a better parent? Are you sure you have what it takes to teach your kid? Are you sure your kid is going to learn? Are you sure your kid is going to socialize? Are you sure? People question the reason why we do homeschooling. So today I'm not going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about that later on in this vlog. By the way, please continue to pray for my wife as she is going through this postpartum depression, and she has been struggling stress, anxiety, with so many other things that she's going through. Please continue to pray for her. And also I want to talk about Abeka book, why we opted for Abeka book. Now when it comes to the price, Abeka book is way expensive, way expensive than other curriculum out there. The reason why we chose Abeka book, number one, because of my wife's health. Abeka has this DVD lessons, DVDs. You can just, they will send you the DVD and just put it in the DVD, and then the teacher will be teaching, and the kid and the student will feel like they are in the same classroom because she will be teaching from the DVD with the other children in our classroom. So the reason why we opted for that, because of my wife's health. That is the major reason why we go for Abeka DVD curriculum. We know that for her going to this age challenge is very hard for her, and we want to homeschool our daughter, our children. We pray the Lord bless us so that we can be able to continue this homeschool journey. It's profitable. It is necessary in this world that we live today. We see so many garbage in school. We know that it is very important, and that is one thing because of our health. So we opted for DVD. So that is one of the reasons why we go for Abeka DVD curriculum. And our material is on the way. Hopefully it gets here next month so that we can start the grade 1 for her as soon as possible. Please continue to lift up my wife. My wife's in your prayers. My wife in your prayer. Continue to lift up my wife in your prayer, and hopefully she feels better and she gets better. All right. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. I told you yesterday that the reason why we opted for Abeka is because not only because it is King James, but because of my wife's health, so that she can be able to rest, and I can able to help our daughter more in the class. So, and also when she feels like she can do it, she gets to do it, and when she doesn't feel like she needs rest, she will rest and relax, and they can catch up later with some of the works that she needs to do. All right, thank you so much for watching. That is our reason for opting for Abeka, even though it is expensive. But they have DVD. We don't need internet because internet is kind of expensive here for her. So that is why we go for Abeka. Thank you so much for watching this video, If this video has been a blessing, consider subscribing, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you.